Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best fluoride water filters. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Aquagear Fluoride Water Filter Pitcher. With the Aquagear Fluoride Water Filter, you can enjoy the benefits of filtered water without having to worry about where it came from. The Aquagear filter is designed to remove up to 99.99% of fluoride. It does this by replacing the calcium in water with sodium, which causes the fluoride to precipitate out of the solution. In addition to removing fluoride, the filter also removes chlorine, heavy metals, arsenic, and other harmful contaminants. But that's not all. The Aquagear filter is also recyclable, making it easy to dispose of and to do your part in reducing landfill waste. Plus, because it uses a patented membrane technology, the filter is capable of filtering large volumes of water quickly. The result? A pitcher of crystal clear water that you can trust. We love these pitchers. They are of great quality, and they hold a lot of water. We use them for ourselves and our families. The pitcher is easy to fill with water, but bear in mind that it doesn't hold too much. Plus, these pitchers are made of stainless steel, which makes them easy to recycle. And they also offer a full refund policy, so you never have to worry about getting stuck with a broken pitcher. If you're looking for a pitcher that is excellent at filtration, don't forget to check this one out. Number 2. Clearly Fluoride Water Filter. To start our list of water filters for fluoride, we have a pitcher that is tailor-built to help remove fluoride that you don't want going into your body, the filtered water pitcher. Made of FDA-approved medical-grade materials, the filtered pitcher is designed to remove fluoride, lead, pesticides, hormones, pharmaceuticals, and other harmful chemicals commonly found in tap water. It does so by passing through a special affinity filter technology that eliminates these toxins and retains all the beneficial minerals found in the source water. Unlike traditional pitchers, which are made of plastic, the filtered water pitcher uses food-grade Tritan materials that are completely safe for consumption. And again, unlike many other pitchers, the filtered water pitcher has an integrated carbon filter that removes chlorine and other harsh chemicals from the water, making it safer for people with compromised immune systems or those living near wastewater treatment plants. There are many options for filtering water pitchers out there, but going with the filtered is one of the best options that you can find out there. Overall, we love it. It's easy to set up and use, and it does what it says it will do. Number 3. Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher. The Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher is an extremely effective pitcher for removing fluoride. Tests show that it can remove up to 97.88% of fluoride from your drinking water, which is hard to beat at this price point. This is a large capacity water filter pitcher that has been designed to fit on refrigerator shelves. It has a large, ergonomic handle for easy pouring. The spout is also designed to be wide so that you can add ice cubes easily. The unit also features a countdown timer that counts down from 90 days, reminding users when the filter needs to be changed. You can customize it by setting different times or just using the automatic setting. Filters should last for around 150 gallons of usage. This is more than 3 times longer than both Per and Amp, Brita, 40 gallons per filter. In third-party tests, the Epic Pure filter also removed over 200 other contaminants. This includes chlorine and amp, odors, heavy metals, and organic chemicals. It's also capable of removing trace pharmaceuticals like atenolol, carbamazepine, and gemfibrozil, an antilipidemic. This is extremely impressive given the affordable price point that this pitcher comes in at. One big advantage of this filter is that it filters out the bad stuff but keeps the good stuff. This is known as selective filtration. Unlike other pitchers that remove beneficial minerals like calcium, Epic Pure leaves them in your water. So you'll still be getting enough calcium, potassium, and magnesium for your body's needs. Number 4. AquaTru Countertop Water Filtration System. The AquaTru Countertop Water Filter System is the best countertop RO system for removing fluoride. This system will remove up to 93.5% of fluoride from your water, as well as remove chlorine, fluoride, and nitrates. If you still want to leave some fluoride for its dental health benefits, then AquaTru is a great option. What makes this system so good is that there are 3 extra stages in addition to the reverse osmosis filter. First, there's a sediment pre-filter and a carbon filter that removes sediment, dust, and chlorine. This expands the RO membrane's lifespan considerably. The water then passes through the reverse osmosis stage, and finally into a volatile organic compound VOC filter. This last stage protects you from trace pharmaceuticals and other forever chemicals. Another great advantage of this system is that there's zero install, and you change the filters with a simple twist and lock system. No plumbers, no mess. As with all reverse osmosis systems, you'll need to wait to fill up a whole jug. The AquaTru speed is comparable to other RO systems and can produce around 3 liters in around 12 to 15 minutes. We love AquaTru's the best water you've ever tasted or your money-back guarantee. They're confident in their product and will let you return within 30 days, no questions asked. In addition, it's backed by a 1-year warranty. So your system will be protected against defects or manufacturing failures for 1 full year from the date of purchase. Number 5. iSpring Water Filtration System. Not everyone will have the luxury of being able to install a reverse osmosis system under the kitchen sink. It's very easy to install and can be done by the average homeowner without much difficulty. Once it's in, don't expect to have too much space left under your sink for storage. It's also a pretty hefty investment to get started with, but it will provide purified water on tap. The iSpring filters are great and remove up to 98% of lead and 99% of more than 1,000 contaminants. Chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, hormones, asbestos, and many more will all be stripped from your water, leaving you with a safe and pleasant drinking experience, in theory. In reality, ours developed a strong plastic taste that made the water undrinkable. If you're going the permanent route with a reverse osmosis system, we suggest getting one that's got a longer proven lifespan and won't begin to show any problems down the line since it is a sizable investment. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.